Hi everyone, this is your Srinivas Rao, Physics NEET and IIT faculty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about weightages of physics chapters. Expected weightages for physics chapters 2022. Already NTA announced dates in April and May months, phase 1, phase 2. But unfortunately, maybe dates changing is possible. For this, I will take the one video for the students' point of view. They know very well about weightages for chapters of 2021. Just 2022 side, how we are expecting different kinds of questions from topic wise. That point of view, I am going to take this video. So in this case, JEE Mains 2022 expected weightage for physics. So in this case, first chapter, what are the chapters in 11th standard? So JEE Mains side differently we are going to take the topics wise. So chapter 1, in this case, units and dimensions. We are expecting 2022 one or two questions. Sometimes one question asking is possible, sometimes two questions asking is possible. So units side, units of physical quantity side, maybe one question asking is possible. Next dimensions, dimension formulae for different physical quantity side, one more question asking is possible. We are expecting two questions from this chapter for 2022. Next, second one, kinematics. Kinematics, in the sense, how many topics are there in kinematics? Motion in a straight line, motion in a plane. Motion in a straight line in the sense, motion in 1D. Motion in a straight line in the sense, motion in 1D. Motion in a plane in the sense, motion in 2D. So motion in 2D side, we are going to discuss generally vectors, projectile motion and circular motion. So these are the concepts combined together named as kinematics. Kinematics side, 2022 we are expecting two questions. One question may be asking from vectors, another question from 2D, projectile motion. Next, force and motion. So force and motion side, Newton's laws of motion. Newton's laws of motion based here, based on the force. Force in the sense, what are the forces are there? Mechanical forces. Mechanical forces in the sense, frictional force, tensional force, spring force, restoring force, different kinds of forces based. One question asking is possible from this topic. Next, motion. Motion side, Newton laws of motion. Next, friction concepts based. One question asking is possible. This is the weightage of third chapter, force and motion. JEE Mains side, we are going to take the subtopics like this. So that's why here mentioned force and motion. Next, fourth one is work energy power. Work energy power side, mainly two parts we are going to take. First part, work energy and power based concepts. Second part, collisions based concepts. In this case, maybe asking two questions possible. These are the expected questions for Vision 2022 for JEE Mains examination. Next, another part is center of mass. The center of mass related to system of particles and rotation motion chapter. So from this topic, maybe one to two questions asking is possible. One or two questions asking is possible based on the center of mass. Position coordinates of center of mass based. Next, shifting position of center of mass based. Applications of center of mass based. So maybe two questions asking is possible for 2022. So next chapter is rotational motion. This is also related to center of mass. What is the name of the total chapter? System of particles and rotational motion combined together named as center of mass. Next, rotation motion. Second part of system of particles and rotation motion side, maybe we are expecting one or two questions. one or two questions. Sometimes two questions asking also possible. So based on the rotational motion basics concept side. Next, sometimes asking question from moment of inertia and radius of gyration. Applications based for different kinds of body side. Based on the axis of rotation. Applications based. Two questions asking is possible from rotational motion. Next, seventh one is gravitation. So gravitation side, one or two questions asking is possible. I am expecting two questions from gravitation for 2022. Perfectly you have to cover the gravitation also. So next one, fluids and elasticity. So this topic gives the, what are the names of chapters for? First one is mechanical properties of solids. Second one is mechanical properties of fluids. Combined together named as fluids and elasticity. From this topic 2022 we are expecting two questions. Ninth one, simple harmonic motion. Simply named as oscillations. In this topic two questions asking is possible, expected 2022. Next one is waves. Wave side, one maybe two questions asking is possible. Next 2021 side 0 or 1 question only mentioned. I am expecting 2022 year 1 or 2 questions from waves. Next, heat and thermodynamics. 2021 side 3 questions asked. This year I am expecting 2 questions. Maybe 3 questions chance is there, but I am expecting 2 questions from heat and thermodynamics. Next, I am going to start second year portions. Second year in the sense +2 portions based how to weightages. Expecting is possible. For 2022 year. In this case, first chapter is from 12th standard, electrostatics. Electrostatics, combined together two chapters. One is electric charges and fields. Second one is electrostatic potentials and capacitance. From this lesson, two questions I am expecting. Next, current electricity. From this lesson, I am expecting two questions. So sometimes electric current based questions asking is possible. So sometimes resistors, combination of resistors based. Next, regarding to resistance concepts, one question asking is possible. Sometimes cells combination based questions asking is possible. Combination of cells. So I am expecting two questions from current electricity for 2022 year. Next, magnetics. Magnetic side I am expecting one question only. Magnetics in the sense moving charges and magnetism and matter combined together named as magnetic effects of electric current. From this topic I am expecting one question. Next, EMI and alternating currents. Electromagnetic induction and alternating currents. From these topics I am expecting two questions for 2022 year. So EMI side, self-inductance and mutual inductance applications based one question asking is possible. Alternating current side, electric current and their characteristics based otherwise circuits, pure resistor, pure inductor, pure capacitor, combination of two components based RC circuit, LC circuit, LR circuit, LCR circuits, combination of circuits based one question asking is possible. So like this we are expecting the three questions from EMI and alternating currents, sometimes possible, but I am expecting two questions from these two chapters for 2022 year. So next topic is optics and electromagnetic waves. Optics side, ray optics and optical instruments one topic wave optics second topic. Next, third one is electromagnetic waves. From those topics I am expecting three questions. Ray optics side one question, wave optics side one question, EM wave side one question. Totally three questions I am expecting for 2022 year. So next, modern physics. Modern physics, what are the combinations in modern physics? Atoms, nuclei, dual nature of radiation and matter. From those topics I am expecting topic wise three questions. Next topic is semiconductors. From semiconductors I'm expecting 2 questions. So sometimes diodes, PN junction diode, GNOR diode, based questions asking is possible. Sometimes transistors and digital electronics concepts based one question asking is possible. I am expecting 2 questions from semiconductors, in this academic year. Next, last topic is communication system. Communication system side, based on the types of communications, based on one question asking is possible. This year 2022, I am expected weightages share to everyone. So everyone subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching my video. Everyone compulsory watching my video, you can easily achieve your goals. Thank you for everyone.